Transforming your life with hypnotherapy just got easier with your host, Julie from coachinghypnosis.net.
Welcome, dear listener, to Coaching Hypnosis and the Green Reawakening series. Today we explore a quietly audacious idea that the way we harness energy in our homes can be as elegant, intentional and mindful as the life we aspire to live. Light and shadow, conservation and comfort are not merely technical concerns. They are expressions of taste, discernment, and a respect for the world we inhabit. Energy is more than a utility. It is a brushstroke on the canvas of our daily lives, an invisible current shaping atmosphere and experience. In the art of refined living, how we light, heat, and power our homes speaks volumes about our values. And today we look at less as more, exploring how conscious energy can transform not just spaces but entire lifestyles, and how some visionary homeowners have taken this to extraordinary extremes. Consider the gentle dance of sunlight through carefully chosen curtains, the warm glow of dimmable lamps, or the quiet efficiency of smart home systems that adjust temperature and lighting seamlessly. Elegant energy use is measured and mindful. It calls for restraint, the patient paring back of waste, and a deliberate invitation of harmony into every room. Some have taken this philosophy further, embracing total off-grid living. In southern Spain, for instance, Villa Nun at Sontagrande, designed by architect Fran Silvestre, will be Spain's first zero-emission luxury residence. 5 marble-clad cylinders connect like a Jenga puzzle, create 2,000 square meters of space. Solar panels reduce energy consumption, rainwater and grainwater supply irrigation, and geothermal heat pumps provide heating, cooling, and hot water. This is luxury with zero carbon conscience. Across the Mojave Desert, Hillary Fur partnered with architect Malik Al-Qadi to build Folly Joshua Tree, a minimalist off-grid residence with Corten steel cabins. Solar panels, deep wells and battery storage, completely self-sufficient. It is a model of mindful living, luxury, comfort and glamour achieved alongside environmental stewardship. In Northern Europe, Strom Architects, Barcelona House and upcoming Finnish projects combine photovoltaics, high-level insulation, geothermal heat pumps and airtight construction to create homes that rely entirely on renewable energy. Each project proves that high design and minimal environmental impact are not mutually exclusive. On a more personal note, when I lived in Sitges near Barcelona, Spain, I observed families purchasing properties entirely off-grid, but with a strategic eye. Once the government connected the roads or power, their homes' values rose significantly. Similarly, I have relatives in Australia who adopt a similar approach. Yet, the latest wave of off-grid living is different. Today, pioneers like Hillary Fleur or the Villa Nun developers have built homes with no intent to profit, simply to exist harmoniously, independently and ethically within the natural world. These are deliberate acts of refinement and responsibility, not speculation. Whether opening curtains to let natural light flood a room, installing energy-efficient LEDs, or designing a self-sufficient home with solar, geothermal and battery storage, the principle remains. Elegance emerges from restraint, mindfulness and a dialogue with nature. Tips for listeners: embrace natural light whenever possible. Choose window coverings that soften without blocking. Invest in dimmable, warm lighting to create atmosphere while conserving energy. Replace old bulbs with energy-efficient LEDs and smart home systems that minimize waste. Consider off-grid or partially self-sufficient technologies where feasible. Solar panels, geothermal heat pumps, battery storage. Treat energy as an element of design and wellness, not just utility. Dear listener, energy is elegance in motion, from the subtle flicker of a lamp to a fully autonomous off-grid villa. How we harness light, heat and power reflects our values, taste and stewardship of the planet. Some seek off-grid living as an investment, others increasingly embrace it as an end in itself, a quiet rebellion in favour of independence, sustainability and grace. Thank you for joining Coaching Hypnosis today. May your spaces glow gently, your footprint grow lighter, and your life radiate calm, conscious elegance. Mindfully yours, Julie.